Hi everybody, happy Tuesday. I'm back with a brand new book, and this book is about Lunar New Year. It is A Sweet New Year for Ren. It's written by Michelle Sterling and it's published by Simon & Schuster. And we want to thank them for allowing us to share this book with you today. So let's get started. I'm excited to share it with you. My eyes open wide on an early morning. It smells like Lunar New Year is almost here. Every year I sit and watch everyone crowded around the butcher block, hoping and hoping that I will get to help make pineapple cakes. You're still too little, Ren, Mama always says. Do you ever get told you're too little? But I've grown 1 whole inch since last Lunar New Year. No, 2 inches. Will I get to help finally? Bright oranges, tangerines, and pomelos bounce together in a bowl, sprinkled with kumquats, shiny and tiny. Can I help, Baba? I ask. I'm afraid you're still too little, Ren. Out we scrambled to find our final ingredients for tomorrow's feast. A fresh silver sea bass is Baba's favorite, with splashes of soy and slivers of scallions. I poke that fish's glassy scales as it slips and squeaks into a bag. Bright green garlic chives and sharp, spicy ginger from Mama's famous dumplings. One day she'll pass on her recipe to me, and I will keep it a secret, of course. One pleat after another, Mama's expert fingers fold dumplings in a whirl. She and Uncle Chen race to see who can fold the fastest, like they did when they were kids. Rows and rows of dumplings fill up our table, mixing, rolling, filling, folding, cooking in a foggy steam. Watching and waiting, I smell that they're done. Can I help? You're still too little, Ren. We're in a big hurry. She just wants to help, right? Bubbling in hot water are the longest noodles Auntie Whaley could find to eat for a long, long life. She's careful not to break the endless strands. Can I help stir? You're still too little, Ren. It's too hot, Auntie Whaley says. Sing Neon Kwai La, everyone. Charlie is back. Charlie, who would always bring me taro milk tea when he picked me up from Sunday violin lessons. Charlie, who always had a wide pot of congee simmering on the stove the nights Mama and Baba had to work late. Charlie, my one-of-a-kind brother. She's really excited to see him, isn't she? I want to show Charlie that I'm a good cook. But the pineapples keep pricking my fingers. Plop, the butter slips out of the wrapper onto our sticky linoleum floor. Clouds of flour fly into the air. Laughing, he cleans up the mess with me, mashing butter and flour together. Charlie shows me how to roll out the dough. Not too thick, not too thin. Together, we make it just right. That's it, May May. And that means little sister. I know that delicious smell, Auntie Amy exclaims. Ren, be gentle when you push the dough into the molds. Look, Mama. Ren, you're finally old enough to help make pineapple cakes. Mama beams. Look, they finally let her try it. Happy pineapple cakes baking. Their golden crust and rich pineapple jam, smelling like butter and sweet time together. I'm hungry, says Jules. I'm hungrier, Marnie pipes up. No one will notice if we take 1 or 3. They smell, sounds delicious, doesn't it? Our tray of togetherness crowded with candied lotus root and winter melon for Auntie Amy and Uncle Chen. Dried kumquats for Charlie, lively and tart. My twin cousins, Jules and Marnie, gulped down 1 sugary coconut slice after another. A handful of lucky red candy for me. So many wishes for sweet New Year. Red envelopes for everyone. The sky glowing red with lanterns, firecrackers dancing, snapping, crackling. My favorite part of the new year. Everyone is here together. Pineapple cakes are for eating, sharing, celebrating, and starting this sweet new year with each other. Thankful for each other. Our stomachs are full and happy, like our hearts. The end. And we're going to share this recipe for pineapple cakes on our Instagram page. And we have a special food for thought on January 24th at 4 o'clock. We are going to make wonton soup. Miss Julie and Miss Rosalind are going to attempt to make this recipe with your help. So we hope to see you there. I will be back on Thursday, and I'm going to start sharing some brand new Valentine's Day books with you. So until then, everybody have a great day. Let me know what you think about this story on our Instagram page, and I'll see you back here soon. Bye for now.